कायदो आनी सुव्यवस्था नियंत्रणाखाला गुन्यांवाचो सोद 84% सुदारला. महसुलांत 7.6% वाड. कायदेशीर रित्यान मायनिंग सुरू करपा खातीर सरकाराची उपाय येवजण. कठीण प्रसंगाचेर मात करून 9.8% जीडीपीत वाड म्हण राज्यपाल सत्यपाल मलिक हांणी विधानसभेत केल्ल्या अभिभाशणात सांगला. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Safety and security of the tourists, women and children are the topmost priority of my government. Also, the overall law and order situation in the state has remained under control. Crime rate has declined by 10.4% in 2019 as compared to the previous year. At the same time, crime detection rate has increased to 84% in 2019 as against 82% in 2018 due to better staffing and implementation of various preventive measures and adoption of modern technology. Actions against drug menace has been intensified, which has led to registration of 213 cases and a seizure of 84 kgs of drugs worth rupees 5.65 crore. Recently, drugs worth about 3 crore was seized in a single raid. Goa is a front runner in respect of zero hunger, quality education, clean water and sanitation, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, sustainable cities and communities, life on land, peace, justice and strong institutions. You are all well aware that in spite of mining ban, global economic slowdown and revenue resource reduction in the state, the gross state domestic product estimates of Goa have registered a growth rate of 11.8% for the year 2017-18 provisional and expected to achieve a growth rate of about 9.8% during 2018-19 with a per capita income of rupees 5 lakh, which is highest in the country, more than 3 times of the national average, thus portraying a robust and healthy economy.